welcomes you to Davao International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off to fasten the seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may move during the flight. Mangyayari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hindi matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga salamin nito ay naigting na binababawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flag deck crew, Captain Caballos and First Officer Aaron Lane, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We also ask that you keep the area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose of this in the bin near the exit. We seek your cooperation ensuring that no trash is left behind. Thank you. Mali po namin pinalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyang itapon sa loob ng aeroplano. Mangyari po lamang na ng mga ito sa pababa.